Hi friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be making egg bites in an air fryer. What we need for this recipe is a mold for the egg bites that fits in the air fryer. And we need eggs, milk, shredded cheese, the toppings, which I will use green onions and turkey slices. You can also use bacon, chopped vegetables, anything you like, or no toppings at all. And also seasonings, I'm going to use salt and pepper. So the first step before doing anything else would be to spray the egg bites mold with a cooking spray so the egg bites don't stick. This is very important. And now let's put the egg bites mold inside the air fryer. Next, I'm going to prepare the toppings. So I will chop the green onion. And I will distribute the chopped onions in between the cups of the egg bites mold. And now I'm going to chop a turkey slice. And also distribute it between the cups of the egg bites mold. So once you've added all the toppings, let's put this in the basket in the air fryer. And now I will set the temperature to 360 degrees, and I will set the time to 3 minutes. Now while the air fryer is cooking the toppings, I'm going to mix the ingredients for the egg bites. So we need something with a pouring spout. I'm just going to use a measuring cup because we're going to use this to pour the liquid ingredients in the egg bites mold. So we need 5 eggs. I'm just going to crack the eggs into this cup. And we need 2 tablespoons of milk. One-eighth of a teaspoon of salt. And 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper. And now I'm going to whisk everything with a fork to combine. sure you break up the eggs so it's smooth. Now let's open the air fryer, and the toppings just finished cooking. And now we're going to distribute the egg mixture evenly in between the cups. And now let's measure out a 1/4 cup of shredded cheese and sprinkle on top of the egg bites. Okay, now we've assembled the egg bites. So let's put this in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 360 degrees, and I will set the time to 12 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the egg bites. Look at these delicious egg bites. They look so good. Now let's carefully take out the egg bites mold out of the air fryer. They look so good. So easy to make in the air fryer. You'll love it. Now let's take out the egg bite. You just press the bottom with your finger and it will come right out. Look at that. Wow. That looks so good. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.